And you thought I was done for the day. Come on. I got some exclusive news for Candy Bus review site. Weed Maps nears $1.5 billion dollar deal to go public, sources said. This is speculation, not 100% legit to quit. Roosters, y'all heard of them, the operator of the U.S. online platform Weed Maps, where users rate the sellers, is nearing a deal to go public for $1.5 billion valuation through a merger with a blank check acquisition firm. People familiar with the matter said on Wednesday. Gotta love those secretaries. WM Holding Co., which owns the company, plans to merge with Silver Spike Acquisition Corp. The sources said the deal could be announced as early as Thursday. How convenient. And the sources added, requesting to not be named because they don't want to get fired because only making $75,000 a year. The deal would come less than a week after the U.S. House of Representatives votes to decriminalize the green stuff at the federal level. The first time either chamber of Congress has voted to end the federal ban on it since the war was listed as a controlled substance in 1970. The legislation is not expected to advance further as long as the Senate remains in Republican hands. Yep. Gets to the Senate, and then the Senate goes, no. Nevertheless, 15 U.S. states and a District of Columbia have legalized recreational use of it, and over 30 states allow some form of it for medical purposes. The patchy legal framework across different states has resulted in them fielding inquiries from law enforcement agencies and regulators about its advertising and promotional practices. Does anyone remember the Camel from Camel cigarettes? Mr. Cool, I think his name was. Didn't they make him illegal because he was like appealing to too many kids? Thought that was kind of neat. When was that? Like 1995? The Irvine, California-based company would stand to gain from the harmonization of the rules governing the industry across the United States. Maps was founded in 2008 by Doug Francis and Justin Hartfield and sells a cloud-based operating system for the retailers, as well as hosting a review and ratings platform for the sellers. So you can rate them, tell them how good or bad their customer service was. Silver Spike is a special purpose acquisition company, a SPAC, increasingly popular these days for some strange reason, with the aim of buying private companies, acquired company. Yep. The SPACs have emerged as an incredibly popular route to the stock market for private companies because they can be completed more quickly than an IPO. That's just one of the reasons. Not only that, the founders usually get a little bit more money in their back pocket, and instant billionaires sometimes. And there is a greater certainty over the funds a company will raise. Yeah. Silver Spike, led by the industry executive Scott Gordon, raised $250 million in August 2019 IPO on NASDAQ with a focus on buying a company in that sector. This is one of the first Greenleaf focused SPACs that has stayed Greenleaf. I would love to know if they pivoted. I want to know if they are Greenleaf and they pivoted to EV and then pivoted back to Greenleaf. Like, was this one just sitting in their back pocket the whole time? That's what I want to know. Regardless, I had to get the information out. That way you're all set for tomorrow morning. I'm going to get this out. I got another video rented right now. Y'all take care. Let's get it.